Conditions get icy as we get into tomorrow morning. You can see that higher ice totals. The farther north you moved, we're also seeing some rain showers mixing in. So a complex situation coming tomorrow. But the big thing is, as you move north, more likely you'll see situations like this with broken tree limbs and possible power outages. So be ready for some icy roads, especially late Wednesday morning through Thursday morning. Kind of a 24-hour event here where we could be seeing all sorts of freezing rain mixed with rain showers, sleet, and snow. Now this winter storm hitting the Midwest just getting going. All sorts of warnings all the way across the upper Midwest, including winter storm warnings and blizzard warnings in Minnesota, Wisconsin, where they could see up to 2 feet of snow in some spots. A little closer to home, we're looking at ice storm warnings and winter weather advisories, even seeing a little flurry activity from that storm ongoing to our north. We'll probably not see any accumulation out of this, but if you see a couple snowflakes this evening, that is an extension of that storm moving into the Midwest right now. But the main event doesn't come until tomorrow, so some flurries early tonight, then mainly cloudy and dry conditions with a low of 30 going into tomorrow morning. By late tomorrow morning, that's when things get underway. You can see that by then we'll have ice storm warnings in effect for far southern Wisconsin and far northwest Illinois, including Stevenson County. This is for potentially up to a half an inch of ice, which doesn't sound like a ton, but it's enough to cause widespread tree damage, power outages, very slippery roads. Farther south from there, so Winnebago, Boone, Ogle counties and DeKalb County under a winter weather advisory, so less for ice, a little sleet and snow, but enough to be a nuisance throughout the course of the day tomorrow and into Thursday morning. So you're still going to look at difficult driving conditions under that mixture of precipitation on the way. So here's future track. By the time we get to about 10 in the morning, we're seeing rain showers near and south of I-88. To the north, the more likely you're going to see some freezing rainfall. This continues throughout the day. Really not seeing that change much going into tomorrow evening. So tomorrow evening's commute is going to be icy. Then we continue to see that freezing rain threat into Thursday morning. So Thursday morning's commute also looking icy. In addition to that power outage threat, I think the highest ice totals will be in southern Wisconsin, about a half an inch potentially. As you drop just to the south of there, that first tier of counties in northern Illinois may see about a quarter of an inch of ice. And then moving farther south from there, about a tenth of an inch of ice. So less for impacts, but still slippery north of Dixon and DeKalb. Elsewhere, just seeing all rain showers. So the temperature makes a big difference here. The difference between 32 and 33 could be the difference between all sorts of freezing rain and rain showers. We're going to have to watch that air temperature closely tomorrow. But really, I think the farther north you move, the more likely you're going to see higher ice totals. Keep in mind, rain may mix in at times, so it's not going to be completely freezing rain throughout the day. We're probably going to go back and forth a little between Wednesday and Thursday morning. Friday, we're dry but colder, down into the 20s. Warmer this weekend with highs near 40. Then Monday could be bringing just straight rain showers. In your most accurate 10-day forecast, we head into the month of March with near average conditions, more 40s, but that could mean more of a wintry mix ahead for next weekend.